Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically reply to emails from outside your organization in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to send custom messages to external contacts while keeping internal communications unaffected. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before proceeding. This ensures that all your settings and folders are properly accessible for the setup we're about to do. Once your email has loaded, we'll begin setting up the automatic reply system. First, we need to create a template for our automatic responses. Click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up the email composition window where we'll craft our message. From the email composition screen, type out the automatic reply message you want external contacts to receive. This could be something like letting them know you're out of the office or providing alternative contact information. Once you've composed your message, click on the File tab at the top of your screen and look for the Save As option. A File Explorer window will appear. Now here's the critical part. Select a file directory where you want to store your template. Enter a descriptive file name so you can easily identify it later. Most importantly, in the Save As type drop-down menu, make sure you select Outlook Template as your file type. This is essential for the rule to work properly. Once that's set, click Save. Your template is now created and ready to use. With your template saved, head back to your Home tab in Outlook. Look for the Rules dropdown under the Move section and click on Manage Rules and Alerts. A window will pop up showing all your current email rules. From this window, click on New Rule to start creating your automatic reply rule. In the Rule Wizard, click on Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, then click Next. For the Conditions step, we won't be setting any specific conditions, so simply click Next again. This means the rule will apply to all incoming messages initially. For the Actions step, locate and click the checkbox next to Reply using a specific template. Then define which template to use by clicking on the highlighted word in the Step 2 field. A Select Reply Template window will appear. Navigate to the location where you saved your out-of-office template earlier, click on it to select it. Then click Open. Once your template is added, click Next to continue. Now we need to set an exception, so this rule only applies to people outside your organization. Look for the option that says Accept with specific words in the recipient's address, and check that box. Then define the specific words by clicking on the highlighted line in Step 2. A search text window will appear. In this window, type in your organization's email domain. For example, at tutorialslab.com, then click Add and click OK to confirm. Keep in mind you can add multiple domains or specific keywords to be exempted if needed. This ensures your automatic replies only go to external contacts. Click Next, then make sure to check the box that states Turn on this rule. This activates your rule immediately. Click Finish to complete the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Outlook to automatically reply to emails from outside your organization while keeping internal messages untouched. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.